Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the MetaMask application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, click on the search button and then just type in MetaMask within the search box and begin your search. Once you find the MetaMask application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the MetaMask crypto wallet app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the app. And now, once you have opened up the app, you can proceed forward with signing up to your new account or logging in to your existing one. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the MetaMask application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.